Hey, hi there! It's great to see you one more day in our Linguivers lessons. I'm Laura, and I'd like you to have a look at these two sentences. He is selfish. He's being selfish. What's the difference? When should we use the first and when should we use the second? Well, stay with me till the end, because in today's class, I'm going to teach you all about it. And to help us continue making new English lessons for you, subscribe to our channel Linguivers, turn the notifications on to be advised when we post a new video for you, and be part of our social media community, following our accounts and practicing your English with our daily posts, reels, and activities. So we were mentioning earlier that you could perfectly say any of these two sentences. But what's the difference? He is selfish is an example of how to use the verb to be, in this case conjugated in the present, am, is, are, plus an adjective. When we say that someone is selfish, we refer to a permanent behavior. We mean that someone is always like that. It's their everyday personality. An example could be, I hate working in John's team because he is selfish. He never thinks about other people. That's the way John always is. That's his everyday personality. On the other hand, his being selfish is an example of how to use the verb to be, conjugated in the present, am, is, are, being plus an adjective. When we say that someone is being selfish, we refer to a temporary behavior. We mean that that person is behaving in that particular way now, that they are acting like this now, but this is not their usual behavior. An example could be, I can't understand why John is being selfish about this project. He's never like that. In this case, John is not a selfish person, but he's having a selfish attitude now. Let's see together a few more examples, shall we? I am nice versus I'm being nice. As you can notice, if I say I am nice, it means I am always a nice person. I'm always friendly, I'm always smiley, I'm always sweet, I always treat people well. I am a nice person. That's my personality, always. However, if I say I'm being nice, it means that I am acting nicely now, that I'm having a nice behavior now. But this is not my usual self. This is not my normal personality or behavior. So maybe I'm after something, or who knows. I'm on purpose behaving nicely now. I'm being nice now. I wonder why. I'm gonna ask you this question only one more time. Where is the money? Huh? You don't know? Listen, I'm being nice to you. You don't want to make me lose my patience, do you? Another example is, the child is naughty versus the child is being naughty, which means not good, not having the right behavior. If the child is naughty, what we mean is that they don't usually behave well. They don't obey their parents, they don't have the right attitude, they never do the right thing. It's part of who that child is. It's part of their personality. On the other hand, if we say the child is being naughty, we are not referring to that child's usual personality. Maybe that child is usually a good boy or girl, they listen to their parents, they have the right attitude, but now, for whatever reason, they are not behaving well. They are not having the right attitude now, temporarily. They are being naughty now. No, stop running. No, stop hurting those children. Don't break the vase. Oh. I don't know why he's being so naughty. He's never like that. And one more example would be this. my friends are polite versus my friends are being polite. In the first case, if my friends are polite, that's who they are. They always have the correct attitude. They always respect others. They always use nice words because they are always polite, respectful, and correct people. Nevertheless, if my friends are being polite, this means that they are behaving politely now. That in this particular situation, they are using adequate words, they are having the correct attitude, and they are acting very politely. Maybe because they want to make a good impression, or maybe because they don't want to hurt someone's feelings. And that's why they are being polite now. And this is my new dress. What do you think? Yeah. Wow. You look amazing. Guys, are you sure I look good? Or are you just being polite so as not to hurt my feelings? And now it's time for you to practice with me. I'm going to give you a sentence and I'd like you to think and decide how to complete it. Remember that the options are verb to be, conjugated in the present, am, is, are, plus an adjective for permanent situation and usual personality traits, and verb to be, conjugated in the present, am, is, are, being, plus an adjective for temporary situations, something happening now. Are you ready for it? Let's go. Our first sentence is, why are you creating all these problems? You really difficult about this. How can we complete this sentence? 5 seconds. And the correct answer is, you're being really difficult about this. It doesn't mean you are usually a difficult person, but now you are being difficult. Sentence 2. I would like to give him a present to show him my gratitude because he always very helpful. How can we complete this one? 5 seconds. And the correct answer is. He is always helpful and he deserves some recognition. He deserves a present. He deserves a thank you because he's always very helpful. Sentence 3. And now Alan wants to have everything ready in only 2 days. He unrealistic. How can we complete this sentence? Think about it. 5 seconds. And the correct answer is, he's being unrealistic. It's not possible to complete all the things we have to finish in only 2 days. He's usually a realistic person. He's usually pragmatic. But now, in this particular situation, Alan is being unrealistic. And our last sentence is, you should ask your colleagues for feedback. They usually honest. What's the best option to complete this sentence? 5 seconds. And the best option is are. Your colleagues are usually honest, so they should be fine giving you an honest and genuine opinion. Why don't you ask them? For those of you who got all the sentences right, give yourselves a tap on the back. And for those of you who didn't, well, just consider rewatching this video and clarify any doubts. This has been all for today. Like this lesson if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to continue practicing and improving your English with our pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar playlists on YouTube. I'll see you in our next lesson, our next video, but until then, practice this, enjoy it, and share it.